Each cell in the memory contains what? Each cell in the memory contains either 0 or a 1. Either on or a off. Okay. That means each cell contains either 1, 0, 1, 1 like that. Clear? How much? So you can say that bits. Each cell contains bits. Okay. How many bits make a byte? 8 bits make a byte. Understood? So I can say, I can make more here in the picture, more smaller ones. Okay. Smaller cells. And each cell 1 or 0 like that. Right? Now I can say this much is my byte. This much is the byte. Okay. 8 bits make a byte. Suppose it is a byte address computer. That means every byte has an address. Every byte has an address. Okay. So now this is the first byte. This is the second byte. Next one is the third byte. Yes or no? So every byte has an address. In computers, you say that address will start from what? Addressing will start from what? 0. Address will start from 0. So the first one's address is 0, second one's address is 1, third one address is 2. So on. Clear? Maybe some places, some bytes address in the memory will be what? 2000 or 5000. It's continuing. It's continuing from 0 onwards. So maybe some places address, some bytes address is 2000 or somebody's address is 5000. So here it is shown in your book. In the 2000, an array is stored. What is the name of the array? Great. Yes. You say how it is, it would have been declared. Hey, how it would have been declared? Tell me. How the array has been defined? Say. Yes? Char grade. Yes, very good. Somebody told char grade. Okay. Char grade. Square bracket equal to new char you have to give the length of the array, size of the array. What you guess? What will be the size here? 8. 8. Yes. So 8. So the array is started from 2000. How many elements are there here in the array? 8 elements are there. 8 elements are there in the array. First element will be stored in which address? Huh? No, first element's name is it's a subscripted array. Each element has a subscripted variable. Yes or no? Subscripted variable. The first element will be named as grade 0. The second one will be named as grade 1. Yes, and so on. The last one will be known as grade 7 because it is an 8 element array. It's an 8 element array, so last one will be grade 7. First element is grade 0. Which address it is taking? 2000. What will be the grade 1 taking? Which address? It is 2002 they are telling. 2002. That means here another byte is there. Because it's a byte address. Byte address it is. Every byte has address. So 2000 and 2001 is taken by the first element. Okay. Second element will be stored in 2002. 2002. It will take 2002 and 2003. The question is, why we are taking two bytes? Yes? Char data type. It's a char data type array, and each char data type takes, from the memory, how many bytes? 2 bytes. So 2 it is taking. Now in your book you see in 5000 which array is there? Age. How it will be declared, you are guessing? Yes. int age array equal to new int 8. Similar 8 are there? Okay. It starts from 5000. You don't know where memory is allocated. That is the work of operating system. Where memory will be given. Where from memory will be given. Whether it will be given from the 2000 or 5000 or 10,000. Yes. Okay. But if it is given, it will give you the consecutive, contiguous memory location. Okay. One array takes from the one place, but different arrays takes from different places, right? Okay. So that is the memory representation. It is, now you tell me, 5000, what will be the next address? What will be next address? Last address? 5014. 16. 0, 14 it will be, no? Okay. 5000? 8. 832. 8 into 4, how much? Why? 8 is given, no? They are given 5. But The array was a 8. So 5028. Yes, 28. So what I told, it can be 2000, it can be 0, minimum 0, it can be 5000, it can be 10,000, or it can be some numbers like this. Some numbers like this, 0, 4, 6, 0, FF. Who did not understand that number? You did not understand. Others are understanding, not. You understand this number. Okay. You understand this number. Okay. Suppose I tell this, hey, this 2000 and 5000 what are you are seeing, they are not decimal, they are written in a hexadecimal. They are written in hexadecimal. Then you understand this number, yes or no? No, still no. Okay. Suppose I tell 2000 is in it is 2000 in hexadecimal. So 2000 in the hexadecimal. Then you can know what is it say? Decimal value or not? Huh? Now I will say this is in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal you have no F, E, F, A, B, C. You can convert it into decimal or not? Now you understand this. Now you understand that what is this 046 0FF? FF. What is that? You understood now? Yes. It's taking how many digits? 6 digits. 6 digits from the hexadecimal. That means how many digits from the binary? Each hexadecimal digit takes how many binary digits? 4 binary digits. Very good. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. This one will be written as what? 4 will be written as 0, 1, 0. 6 will be written as 0, 1, 1, 0. This 0 is the 0, 0, 4 zeros. This F is 4 ones. This F is 4 ones. So its total makes up how many binary bits? 24 binary bits. Understood? Now come to the page number 410. You see this is A0, A1, it is written like that. So starting address is what? Starting address will be what? 04, 0460 FF. Okay. If this array is a double array, suppose if this array is a double array, what will be the address of A1. First address is 060FF. What is the second address? What is the address of A1? A0 address is this one. What will be the A1's address? Tell me. 0, 4, 6. No, not 0. It will be 1. Understood? 1, 0, 8. Why? Why I am telling? 8 plus 1 I am making. Plus 1 I am making. Understood? I think it will be not 8, it will be 7. 7. Right? Why? If I make plus 1, it is becoming how much? All 0. All 0, 1. Okay, all 0, 1. Next one is 0, 0, 1. Next one is 2. No, 2 no. This is 1, this is 1, 1. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Right? Like that it will come up to 7, no problem. Up to 7. 1 already included. Up to 7. So last one is 7. This is 7. This is all. This is 7. Up to this 7. This is 0. This is 1. What is the second one? This one. So for you the homework is to find the every location's address in hexadecimal. I have done up to 1. A0, A1. You have to do for A2, A3, A4. Okay? Right? This is your homework.